Hey everyone, and welcome back to Everything About Accounting. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of accounting careers. Whether you're just starting out or looking for a change, there are high-demand and well-paid jobs waiting for you in this dynamic field. So, grab a pen and paper, because we're about to unveil the top 5 accounting careers you should know about, along with their expected salary ranges according to U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, so you can start planning your future. 1. Tax accountant, median annual wage, $77,250. Ever heard the saying, there are only two certainties in life, death and taxes? Well, tax accountants are the heroes who help individuals and businesses navigate the complex world of taxation. They prepare tax returns, advise on minimizing tax liability, and stay up to date on ever-changing tax laws. 2. Auditor, median annual wage, $95,260. Auditors are the guardians of financial integrity. They meticulously examine a company's financial statements to ensure accuracy and compliance with regulations. Their work is crucial for building trust and investor confidence in businesses. 3. Financial analyst, median annual wage, $93,580. Financial analysts are the financial detectives of the business world. They analyze financial data to identify trends, assess risks and opportunities, and make informed financial recommendations. Their expertise is vital for companies looking to make sound investment and strategic decisions. 4. Controller, median annual wage, $127,990. Think of the controller as the captain of the financial ship. They oversee all accounting operations within a company, managing budgets, financial reporting, and internal controls. Controllers are strategic partners, providing valuable financial insights to leadership. 5. Forensic accountant, median annual wage, $95,410. Forensic accountants are the crime fighters of the accounting world. They use their financial expertise to investigate fraud, embezzlement, and other financial crimes. Their meticulous work helps bring financial wrongdoers to justice and protect businesses from financial losses. Remember, these are just some of the exciting career paths in accounting. There are many other options depending on your interests and skills. The key is to explore and find the perfect fit for you. So, are you ready to embark on your accounting journey? In the comments below, let us know which career from the list piqued your interest the most. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more valuable accounting content. Thanks for joining us, and remember, with dedication and the right knowledge, you can achieve great things in the world of accounting. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.